In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste an image into Canva, a super useful skill that will make your design process a breeze. Whether you're working on a personal project or something professional, knowing how to quickly add images can save you a lot of hassle. The first step is simple. Head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com into your browser. If you already have an account, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Depending on your preference, you can log in using Google, Facebook, or your email address. It's really up to what's most convenient for you. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to choose a project. You may already have something in mind, but if not, browse through your previous designs and pick the one you want to work on. Click on the selected project to open and access the specific design where you are planning to add your image. With your design pulled up, look for the Uploads tab in the Canva editor. It's typically located on the left-hand side panel. Clicking on this will give you the option to upload files. Here you can browse your computer to find the image you want to add. Choose the desired image and Canva will automatically upload it to your project space. Keep an eye on the Uploads section to see your image appear, confirming that it's ready for use. To add the image to your design, just click on it. The image should pop right onto your design canvas, allowing you to place and resize it to fit your needs. If, however, you have an image you want to bring in directly from a web browser, the process is slightly different. Begin by locating the image you want online, right-click the image and select Copy Image from the options. Returning to your open Canva design, simply paste the image using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V if you're on Windows or Command+V if you're on a Mac. This convenient feature allows the image to instantly appear in your design, placing it right where you need it. One of the great things about Canva is that it automatically saves the new image into your upload section, meaning you can reuse the image in future projects without needing to upload it again. Finally, if you're interested in moving an existing image within the same project, but to a different page, you can. Click on the image you want to move, then right-click and choose Copy. Navigate to the other page, right-click once more and select Paste. This action duplicates the image across different pages within your project effortlessly. And there you have it. Pasting images in Canva is not only straightforward but also an essential part of efficient design work. Try it out, and coming up with creative designs will be quicker and easier than you ever thought possible.